The oldest DNA ever recovered from modern humans shows they arrived as small groups in Europe more than 45,000 years ago and mixed with Neanderthals, but left no descendants, according to a new study. DNA from bone remains found in Ranis, Germany, revealed some of the individuals were close relatives, including a mother and daughter, while others were more distant cousins. The DNA from a woman's skull found at Zlatý Kun, Czech Republic, turned out to be part of the same extended family. Despite being among the first modern humans in Europe, this family did not leave any descendants who are alive today. They were part of a pioneer population that eventually died out, making them a lost branch of the human family tree. Published on the 12th of December in the journal Nature, the study was led by scientists from the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Leipzig, Germany, and involved contributions from researchers at the University of Reading and the University of Bristol. Zooarchaeologist Dr. Jeff Smith studied more than 1,000 bone fragments found at the site of Ranis, and Dr. Karen Rubens helped identify them through ancient protein analyses. Dr. Rubens and Dr. Smith are now leading a new project at Reading, analysing more bone fragments from the region to gain further insights into the diet and lives of these early modern humans and their Neanderthal counterparts. Dr. Rubens said, "It is astounding how these small bone fragments provide such a wealth of data. Ranis turned out to be a real treasure trove. Exceptional DNA preservation gave a unique glimpse into past family groups and their wider connections across Ice Age Europe. It shows an ebb and flow of small human groups during a crucial period of coexistence between Homo sapiens and Neanderthals." A statement read, "These early Europeans numbered just a few hundred and had dark skin, dark hair and brown eyes, reflecting their arrival from Africa." One of the most significant findings was that these modern humans and Neanderthals mixed and had children together between 45,000 and 49,000 years ago, but there was no evidence for more recent interbreeding, as is the case in other European modern human groups. Dr. Jeff Smith said, "These DNA results are exciting because they show differences in how frequently various groups of early modern humans met with Neanderthals. It is fascinating how these early modern humans were able to adapt to extreme cold conditions, but were ultimately unsuccessful and died out." Dr. Helen Fewless, an archaeological scientist at the University of Bristol, started working on the Ranis project while based at the Max Planck Institute in Leipzig, and has led the radiocarbon dating at the site, including directly dating the human remains analysed in the study. She said, "The preservation of the ancient bone fragments from Ranis is unprecedented and has given us a huge amount of information about these ancient people. These are the earliest directly dated remains of our species we have yet found in Europe, and it's so exciting to find multiple individuals from one group." The new DNA results give us incredible insights into the lives of this pioneering group. The findings were published in a paper entitled "Earliest Modern Human Genomes: Constrained Timing of Neanderthal Admixture." Part of the paper's abstract read, "We show that distant familial relationships link the Ranis and Zlatý Kun individuals, and that they were part of the same small, isolated population that represents the deepest known split from the out-of-Africa lineage. Ranis genomes harbour Neanderthal segments that originate from a single admixture event shared with all non-Africans that we date to circa 45,000 to 49,000 years ago. This implies that ancestors of all non-Africans sequenced to date resided in a common population at this time, and further suggests that modern human remains older than 50,000 years from outside Africa represent different non-African populations." But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe, and you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.